Welcome to Folded, Creased, and Crumpled. I'm Tina.
And I'm Anna.
And we are back for some more unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing Busy Bee Stationery. Just like last time, I feel like this is going to be a theme. And I'm really excited about this, as per usual. And without further ado, I'm going to open it.
So exciting.
Okay, so the theme for July is, drum roll please, gold accents. So everything is gonna have a gold accent. I'm really excited about that. I like gold. Everyone likes gold, right?
Ooh, yeah.
All right. All right. First things first. Okay. So just looking at the box, inside the box itself, it looks like it's a bunch of items for scrapbooking, which I absolutely love. And so the first thing I grabbed, actually I'll wait for that because I feel like this is a big one. First thing I grabbed is the 6x6 paper pad. It has 6 cardstock designs, 2 of each inside one of these. So I've seen these before. Let me... This is why I always pre-open stuff beforehand, because I hate doing this on camera. So at this rate, I'll probably edit this. So the next thing you see,
just fast forward that.
yeah, you probably won't even see this happening right now. So now that I've opened it properly, so these are the designs. Oh, this is pretty. So this here has 2 of each. It's acid free. So one thing I learned about scrapbooking is they always tell us to purchase stickers, cardstock, anything like that to decorate your scrapbooking and make sure it has acid free. So acid free is basically if you move like ahead, let's say 20 years later and you look at your pictures and stuff, you know how it changes coloring? It's because everything has acid in it. And it kind of deteriorates the pictures and deteriorates like everything you use on your scrapbook. But if you use acid free, it lasts longer and it won't deteriorate anything. It won't make it, I guess, look used quicker. So that's what I was always told. But here's another. Oh, this is so pretty.
That is really pretty.
My goodness. Ooh, I like this one. This one's like shabam. And then there's these snowflake ones. So it looks like it's good for the winter. There's trees. There's like a Christmas tree one.
Seasonal.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. And then, ooh, this is just plain foil gold. That's it. Wow, that's so... He's shiny. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah. So then 2 of everything. So then we're back to what we had. It's really pretty. I definitely can see myself putting it into good use. I really like the designs, the colors. And then the next thing you have that they have, and it's all like HeidiSwapp items. And I know for a fact that you can go to Michael's and you can buy HeidiSwapp items as well. So if you can't, let's say, afford the box, but you still want some of the items, because they don't sell them separately, you can check at Michael's. So this is a bookmark. So it's a magnetic bookmark. This bookmark is really cool. It has a heart with black and white stripes and then the gold foil on the outside, and then a flower one. And this is good for books, just putting magnets on books. Like, I actually had one that a friend gave me, and it was a flamingo, and it said aloha. You know, me and aloha. But I'm going to show you how it works. So I have a Rhodia book here, you know, and a nose. And it's such an easy thing. So it says hi on it. It's super cute. And all you do, it's magnetic. Take a page, and guys, guess what? It doesn't have a limit of how many pages you want to magnetize. You can do as many as you want.
It's like a dream bookmark for you. No maximum.
So I'm gonna grab, I don't know how many pages. I'm gonna guess I grabbed at least 20 pages. I'm just gonna like put it in. Okay, so it does kind of have a maximum because now the magnet doesn't, oh wait, no it doesn't. If there's too many pages, unfortunately the magnet doesn't like attract to each other, so it won't close, they'll just come out. That was exciting for a second. I was really excited. I was like, oh. But then...
Well, if it truly is a bookmark, though, you wouldn't typically bookmark multiple pages.
Tomato. So yeah. So here you go. I took like 5 pages. So then it clips on like that. Pretty cool. Yeah. So it kind of decorates your journal or your notebook or whatever you want. It's really cute. It's handy. I really like it. I've used it before. I think it's definitely a good purchase. And also, it's in my box. Woohoo! All right. You know I love it. And I get excited when I see these. So this is the GL series gel ink retractable. There's 0.7 millimeters medium point pens, and they're all black. And there's 4 of them. So it comes in these nice like metallic yellow, well, gold, brown, pink, and blue. It's actually really pretty to look at. I'm gonna open one and try it out, but this is what it is. All right. I'm gonna grab the first one, which happens to be, it looks bluish gray to me. It's actually quite cute. It's polka dot tulle. I hope I'm saying it right. It's tulle.
It's tulle.
It's tulle because it has that long thing above the U. I should go back to grade school. I remember them teaching us, but I can't remember what it's called. But it's really pretty. Aesthetically, this is gorgeous. It's a stunning looking pen. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah. Okay, I am gonna write on a piece of paper to see how it writes. I didn't think I'd have to, but you know me. Must test out all the pens. Oh! Wow! Okay. This is a nice pen. It writes nice. Look at this.
It glides nicely.
It glides so nice. It glides really nice. It feels like you're writing on a cloud. It's just so nice and smooth, which I'm surprised. I've never heard of this brand, but oh, it's made in Korea. Top notch, for sure. Anything made in Korea, Japan, like their pens are so good. They write so nice and smooth, and I don't know. It's like they go into my brain. And they're just like, what kind of pen does she like? How smooth does she like it? Let's create this for her. This is what I feel like they do for me. Anyway, definitely, if you find it as a thing, it's ultra smooth. Honestly, they're not lying. Ultra smooth, skip-free performance. I tested it. Not a lie. All truth. Excited! All right, and then this is pretty cool. You get an all-in-one kit, and it includes a high-quality full-size scissors, easy cut tape, dispenser, plus 3 tape rolls. It's a gift wrap toolkit, 5 pieces. It's cute. Like, American Crafts, way to go. That's really pretty. Hey Anna, look. It looks like it's easy to like peel off and to open. This is definitely amazing. Like, I'm really happy that this is in here. I don't need scissors, but if I do, I have them. I'm quite excited about this. This looks really cool. So this is from Becky Higgins. It's Project Life. It has 130 pieces in there. And they have cards and embellishments. And this is what I saw that I thought was like for scrapbooking, which it could be for scrapbooking, could be for anything. But it's gold foil on every card. So I was right, it is foil. So gold foil on every card. So this is like what the whole Project Life looks like. And again, like I said, you can get these at Michael's as well, because I know they come in different themes and different looks. So I'm really excited to open this up and take a look at it.
Ian, have I ever told you that you make my heart sing?
Why?
It's on the card.
Oh. I was like, that was random. Oh, thanks, Anna. And then in the back here, it shows you everything, like all the cards, everything that they have there. So I will show you that.
That looks like a substantial amount.
Yeah, it's 130 pieces. It's a lot of stuff.
Do you know if it's one of each, like each card?
So it says here, the kit contains 30 4x7, rewind. It says the kit contains 30 4x6 specialty cards, 15 different designs printed 2 times, 30 3x4 inches specialty cards, 15 different designs printed 2 times, 70 cardstock embellishments, and all cards are single-sided. So that's what it says in here. I'm gonna open it up so then we can have a better look at it. When it says cardstock, oh my goodness. I know. It needs to be secure, but I think that's like one of, honestly, it's such a silly pet peeve, but like one of my pet peeves is when I'm filming video, I hate having to like open stuff up. I want it to be already open, so then it's a quick, like I whip it out and I'm like, here it is. It's patience. I don't have any of it, obviously. Okay, so it's all secure in this staticky. So it has this cover on it. And you take off the cover. It's a thinner cardstock. It's not like a super thick cardstock. I'm trying to think of what to compare it to, but probably, honestly, I don't know what I could compare this to.
Like a cue card?
Thinner than a cue card. I'd say like the dollar store cue cards. Because the dollar store cue cards, I find their cardstock is a little bit thinner than like what you would buy at Staples, right? Staples I find is a little bit harder, but maybe that's just me and where I went to, but I would compare to that because it's still thick enough that it won't ruin anything. And I feel like if you use marker on it or anything like that, it won't ruin it, it won't seep through it. But it's still thin enough where you can still like bend it and cut it and stuff, right? Where it's not like... So yeah, let's see. So Anna already stated this, so I'll try to make it quick. But there's 2 of these cards, these little ones. This one says, "You make my heart sing." This one's really cute. I really like this one. One has, the next one, sorry, has, "This is my happy place." I like that too. So the next one we have is like postcards, and these are the same. I don't think I'm gonna go through each one. I'll maybe show you a couple that they have that I think is really pretty. So I always said this to a coworker of mine back in the day, and that became our little thing. So every morning I see her and be like, "Hello, sunshine." And so every time for Christmas or my birthday or anything, she always sends me a card that says "Hello, sunshine." So this reminds me of her, and I really like that. This is same cardstock feel as the smaller ones, and again, these you can write on as well. They're really pretty. This one reminds me, Anna, a laugh is a smile that bursts.
I really like that.
Here is the fun stuff. So here we are. Okay. So like I said before, I used to do scrapbooking. It's been a while since I've used it. I actually wanted to create a page for both my nieces. So one for Avery and one for Evelyn, where I would have them basically from when they're a baby and as they get older. So then you kind of see them grow within the pages. But sentimental part of me is like, I want to wait till she's 16, you know, I like a nice little sweet 16 thing where I'm like, pictures from when you're a baby till you're 16, and then show it to her on her 16th birthday, and it'll be kind of sweet. I don't know, she might think I'm lame, who knows. But I think it's sweet, just the thought of it. And same with Evelyn.
Well, you're going to have to follow through on it now because they're going to watch this episode.
I know. But sorry, I'm just quickly taking these out. They're very fragile. So the foil happy is already ripped. It kind of, because these are very flimsy, so you gotta be very careful.
Are they stickers or they're meant to be glued to something?
They're meant to be glued. So remember the sticker machine that I have?
Yeah.
I would probably put this through my sticker machine and glide it through and turn it into a sticker. Let's try right now. I have the sticker machine. Yeah? Yeah, okay. I saw it. I saw you nod your head. So I'm back with my sticker machine. If anyone saw our last video, as Anna said, this is our sticker machine. All right, I'm gonna try this out. I'm scared to put happy through, it's gonna rip, but I'm gonna try it, see if it works. I'm scared.
Be fearless.
I know.
You got this.
Says the person that's not here doing it. All right.
Believe me, I wish I could be there.
I know.
Oh, I can see it coming through. It looks good. It came through intact, it looks like.
Yep. So this is really cool. Now I know that it can be turned into a sticker. So I'll probably do that for every one of these for my scrapbooking. And if you want to learn more about the Create a Sticker Mini that I have here, I will put a tag either here or here. I don't know which direction, but it'll be a tag here, and you can always check out that video. That was our last video. And that's it. It's a pretty fun box. I really enjoy it. Anna, am I missing anything?
Thank you for tuning in. Hope everybody stays safe.
Yeah, stay safe and be happy. Until next time, peace.